got 3 teams left and then a wee bit of a skeleton team, so we're not too far from the end there.
Good evening everyone, thank you all for coming. So the 4 of us standing before you today, we are Team Zenki, and today we'll be presenting you with our Level 7 project we've been developing over the past 9 months. So to kick it off, I'm going to introduce the team. So g'day, I'm Ben. I've been the project manager for Team Zenki over the past 9 months. To my right here, we have Philly. Philly's been our lead developer. To his right, we have Debbie. Debbie has been our user interface designer over the past 9 months. And to the right of Debbie, we have Pam. And Pam has been busy doing all the database stuff for us this year. So a wee bit more about our project. Our client is Dave from Focus Technology Group here in Invercargill. He came to SIT at the start of the year and he had a bit of a problem. And what his problem was is at Focus they have a stockroom. And in the stockroom they have a lot of gear like computers, screens, small adapters, everything like that. So the value on those bits of gear goes up and down. The problem he's got is when gear is taken out of the stockroom, there's no record of who's taken it. So it can be a bit of an issue when the end of month stock take happens. They don't know where gear is. How do you chase that up? So what he was after was a system or a solution that can track essentially who's taken what, so that at the end of the month the chase up doesn't take nearly as long as it does now. So similar requirements we've had for this project have been the use of a SQL database for storing the data. The main reason behind this is that Focus currently have a SQL server set up, so migrating the database that we've designed and developed to their server should be a piece of cake. Another requirement we've had is developing the program to use which had touchscreen capabilities. So what the client's got currently is a Surface Pro style tablet PC, which is touchscreen. The idea behind that is that the engineers and staff can go up to this PC, they can tap on it, they can type in the details of what they're taking and when they're taking it to keep a log of essentially what's been taken. And another requirement we've had is the reporting section. This essentially lets the admin staff know at the end of each month what's been taken and what hasn't been returned. So when they do have to chase it up, they know exactly who to chase up and not just everyone. So our solution that you'll see shortly has been a program that we've written in Visual Studio using the C# programming language for use on these tablet-style PCs. So now I'm going to hand you over to Finley. Finley's going to show you the demo itself and talk about some of the functions and features of the program. So Finley?
Cheers, Ben. So the first function I'll talk about is the record of inventory. So that's just keeping a log of everything that's currently in the database. So that can also be searched through. Nextly, transaction history, a log of items that have been taken. So it'll show items that have been taken, who they've been taken by, and why they took them. It'll also show when they were returned or if they were sold. Finally, next, the current status of the stock. So it'll show if the item is in stock, if it's been taken out, or if it's been sold. And finally, generating reports, which is done automatically or manually, and that'll just create a PDF that's emailed out. So to the live demo, the first tab I'll show is the log. So here you can see the recent transaction history. You can filter this down by selecting who you are, and further by the stock code, serial, and inscription. The main tab that the engineers will be using is the take items. So to use this, they select who they are, they scan the item with a barcode scanner, and then they'll bring up our item. They simply double tap it to take it, and if they want anything else, they can scan again. But we're just going to hit finish. It'll bring up this window where they enter their job ID, and they simply hit confirm to take the item. If they added something accidentally, they can double tap in that window that was up to remove the item. So next is return. This is pretty simple as well. They will select who they are. It'll bring up the items that are taken. They'll double tap the item to move across. They can double tap as many items as they want. And it can go both ways. Once they're ready, they can hit finish to return it. Simply hit confirm. And that's the item returned. Next we have stock browser. This is just searching through the database to see what items are available. So we can see that we have 4 2-terabyte items. Next is reporting. So here this shows all the items that are currently taken for the current month. I can also see items that have been sold. So if nothing has, I can select items and mark them as sold. And I can also check all the items and mention them. The date time figures let me select which month I'm seeing. So I can show the last month, the current month. To generate the report, I check the items I want and hit send. This creates a PDF that is emailed out to the specified address. Lastly is just settings. This contains database, accounts, the emails, and a small amount. Next I'll hand you back to Debbie to talk about our challenges and solutions.
Thank you, Finley. We faced several challenges during the process of creating the software. The first one was user interface design. Our client gave us the freedom in designing the software, and it was challenging because we need to create a good-looking software that has all the required functions that would meet the client's needs. And we came up with solutions. We created several design options for the client to choose, and once he's made his decision, we started developing from there. The second challenge was design implementation, because all forms were built from code instead of using form designer. It took longer to implement the design. Our solution was we invested more time working on it and do a lot of research and consult with our tutor. From this, we have a software that is adaptable to different screen sizes. The third challenge was gear acquisition. It took more time for the gears to arrive than we had predicted, and so because of this, several tasks were put on hold. We skipped on the tasks that were put on hold, and we continued focusing on the tasks that were not dependent on those tasks. And the last challenge was to keep ourselves motivated, because we've been working on this project for 9 months, and juggling between this project and other small project for other papers has made it difficult for us to maintain our motivation high. So we as a team, we reassess our goals, and we keep cheering up each other, and we keep reminding each other that we need to finish this together. And when we felt tired, we took a break and we get some rest, and once we felt refreshed, we came back and focus working on this project. And now I'm going to pass you over to Pam, who's going to talk to you about the lessons that we've learned from this project throughout the year.
Thanks, Debbie. So here are the lessons that we have learned throughout the year. So the first lessons that we have learned is having access to everyone's work. This meant that when a team member is unavailable or away, we all can access to see what they have been working on. The next one is setting up SQL server correctly. This involves creating user account with appropriate permissions and not having services that are needed running. Coding. We learned how to program effectively. This meant that not having duplicate or redundant code, as well as testing all functions, just to make sure that everything is working correctly. Last one is learning new skills. These include public speaking. We learn to be more confident when presenting in front of people, analyzing the client needs, and translating them into achievable requirements. So I believe that all of these lessons that we have learned throughout the year have made us better as a team in creating a final product. So I will now hand it back to Dean to summarize the whole presentation.
Awesome, cheers, Pam. So yeah, just to wrap it up, a few of the challenges that we have faced, the biggest one has probably been keeping motivated. A few trips to the pub a few years later, kind of morale has boosted a wee bit, and that has definitely helped. A lot of the skills also that we have learned this year, a lot of public speaking, a lot of one-on-one speaking to our client, is definitely going to translate to the real world. Same with a lot of the technical skills we've picked up, like coding, as Philly has definitely shown. Our prototype has been implemented with our client, and we are awaiting to get some feedback from them. That'll be sometime this week, fingers crossed. So yeah, that has been our project for 2018. Hope you've enjoyed it. If there's any questions, Philly and I will do our best to try and answer them for you. So, thank you.
Was there an existing inventory list, or did you create the linkage when you need to identify to the items? You know what I'm saying? Did you manually slap barcodes on everything, or did they have something that you could free?
No, that was already set up. All the barcodes and stock IDs were all set up for us. We're just importing it.
What functionality is there for them to develop customized fields on this app?
There is none at this stage.
Is that something that you see that you could pursue and develop to the satisfaction of the customer?
It could be pursued, yes. That likely will not be done by me. That would either be done by Ben or the development team at Focus.
So you say that it's Focus of looking into that prototype. Does that mean they're actually using it, or are they just testing it on the app?
As I understand it, they're just trialing it. It's not fully in use.
And if we do it again, is there anything different?
I think we should plan it out better at the start. Yeah, I think that would be our biggest thing.
Great, good work everyone. So now we're going to have a quick 5-minute break. I'm going to call it 10. Let's meet back at 8:30. Have a stretch, go to the bathroom, get some water.